This is Kameshwar from Nalla Narasimhareddy Education Society Group of Institutions, Department of Civil Engineering. Today we are going to discuss about Geotechnical Engineering Unit 1 problem. Now, a dry soil has a void ratio of 0.65 and its grain specific gravity is 2.8. What is its dry unit weight? A dry soil has a void ratio of 0.65 and its grain specific gravity is 2.8. What is its dry unit weight? Void ratio is equal to 0.65. Specific gravity G is equal to 2.8. Now calculate dry unit weight. Gamma D. Gamma D is equal to specific gravity value 2.8 into unit weight of water. The value is gamma W is equal to 9.81 kilonewton per meter cube. 9.81 kilonewton per meter cube. It is given in problem, otherwise we can take it as 9.81 standard value unit weight of water. 9.81 by 1 plus E is equal to void ratio is equal to 0.65. 0.65. That is equal to gamma D G into gamma W by 1 plus E. 2.8 into 9.81 by 1 plus 0.65. The value is 16.65. 16.65 units. Unit weight units kilonewton per meter cube. Kilonewton per meter cube. Next case. The second case is water is added to the sample so that its degree of saturation S is equal to 60% without any change in void ratio. Determine the water content and unit weight. In above case, void ratio already given 0.65. That same value you can take in a second case also. Void ratio is equal to 0.65. S is equal to 60%. Now we can take it as water content equation. W into G is equal to E into S. Water content, specific gravity, void ratio and saturation. Now substitute these values in water content equation. Void ratio value 0.65. 0.65 into saturation condition 0.6. 0.6 divided by G. Specific gravity is equal to already given in above case 2.8. 2.8. That is equal to, what is the value of water content? 0.13. It is water content units. It is expressed as percentage. So 13%. 13%. Now another one. Water content is completed. Next, unit weight. Unit weight gamma is equal to G plus ES by 1 plus E into gamma W. So specific gravity G is equal to 2.8. 2.8 plus void ratio is equal to 0.65. 0.65 into saturation condition 60%. 0.6 divided by 1 plus E is equal to 0.65. 0.65. So what is the value of unit weight? Unit weight into unit weight of water value. Unit weight of water 9.81. 9.81 that is equal to 18.97 kilonewton per meter cube. 18.97 kilonewton per meter cube. Here in this problem, given water content and unit weight, the water content value 13% and unit weight value gamma is equal to 18.97 kilonewton per meter cube. Next, the third case is the sample is next placed below water. Below water means example sea or ocean. So below water fully saturation condition. Here in this saturation condition also given two values 95% and 100%. For we can determine the true unit weight. Unit weight formula gamma is equal to G plus CS by 1 plus C into gamma W. Same values. G is equal to 2.8, void ratio E is equal to 0.65. But the only difference between these two is in one case we can substitute in the place of S 95% and S is equal to 1. Fully saturation condition S is equal to 100%, and we can take as S is equal to 1. The equation is same. The only difference is two different saturation conditions. In one place we can substitute as 0.95, another case we can substitute as 1. Now substitute these values. G is equal to 2.8.65. 2.8 plus E is equal to 0.65 into saturation condition 95%. So 0.95 by 0.9 by 1 plus void ratio E is equal to 0.65 into unit weight of water 9.81. The value is unit weight for saturation condition S is equal to 95%. The value is 20.32 units. Very important for unit weight. The units are kilonewton per meter cube. Now in the place of 0.95, similarly we can substitute S is equal to 1. We will get saturation condition S is equal to 100%. The unit weight is gamma is equal to G 2.8 plus E is equal to 0.65 plus 0.65 into S is equal to 1. S is equal to 1 by 1 plus void ratio E is equal to 0.65 into unit weight of water 9.81. That is equal to unit weight for saturation 100%, that is equal to 20.51 kilonewton per meter cube. 20.51 kilonewton per meter cube. Kilonewton per meter cube. So gamma is equal to two saturation condition. One is 95%, one is 100%. The unit weight is different, two variations. 20.3 to 20.51, and water content 13% and unit weight 18.97. In first case, only dry unit weight gamma is equal 16.65 kilonewton per meter cube. Thank you.